Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will be learning how to convert a list of tuples into a dictionary. So this technique is super handy when you are working with data and need to transform it into a more accessible format. So if you are ready to take your Python skills to the next level, let's dive in. So this is the code implementation of it. So let me explain it. First we define the function list to dictionary that takes a list of tuples as input. So in this function it takes list of tuples as input. Then we simply use Python's built-in dictionary constructor which takes a list of tuples and converts it directly into a dictionary. So here the dict will directly convert the tuples into a dictionary. So here we define our list of tuples where each tuple contains a key value pair. So key value pair. Then we call the function to convert the list into a dictionary, and finally we will print it. So let's run this. So for this input, the converted dictionary should look like this: value of a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and c equal to 3. So the key concept we learned from this video are the dict constructor and how to use the dict function to convert a list of tuples into a dictionary, then how to efficiently transform data from one structure, that is list of tuples, to another. So here we converted the list of tuples to a dictionary. Then we understand how Python handles key value pair conversion. So these are the key concepts we learned from this, and that's it for today's video. We have learned how to convert a list of tuples into a dictionary, and I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. So stay tuned for the final video in this series, and as always, happy coding.